everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this drawer handle for your workshop out of this 2x4.
First I take my 2x4 to the miter saw station and I slice off the end to get a nice clean cut. Then I set my stop block to 15 inches and I make my first cut. I then take my 2x4 over to the table saw and I slice just a little off the edge so that I have a nice clean side to work with. I then set my fence to 1.5 inches and I put the 2x4 with the freshly cut edge up against that fence and I make 2 cuts at 1.5 inches. Now I set up my router with a 1/4 inch half round bit and I bevel all the edges of one side of my drawer handle. The right way to use a router for this type of application would be to have it installed in a router table. This is a new router. My old one wasn't working anymore and it wasn't compatible with my router table, so this is why I'm doing it this way. This is not the safest way. If you don't have experience using routers, I recommend you don't do it this way. Before I can go any further, I need to change the angle of my table saw blade by 25 degrees. Then I set my fence to 1 1/8 inches. Now I'm ready for my next cut. Now when you run your handle through the table saw again, you're going to be taking off just a little off the bottom corners. When you pass it through the first time, it shouldn't be a problem, but when you do pass it through the second time after you flip it over, it'll be a little trickier because you won't have as much of your handle pressed up against the fence, so just be cautious. Okay, well the last step is to clean up these handles a little bit. I brought mine to the belt sander. You don't have to do this, you can do it by hand. And I just cleaned them up real nice until they were really smooth. And that's it.
Alright everyone, we're all done. We have 2 drawer handles. These are good to go as is. They're smooth, they feel good. If you would like to go a little bit further, like I did on mine, I stained this and then I put water-based polyurethane on there and then I attached them to my drawer, and you can see it feels good. It feels real nice. It has this comfortable grip to it, and I used scrap 2x4s to make it, which I'm sure most of you probably have laying around. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications of when I post new videos. Have a nice day.